In this video, I'm going to show you how to fade out beat in Pro Tools. Now to do this, there's a few different ways. I'm going to show you the easiest one by far. So go to the top here and select this selector tool over here, and then simply go to the end of your beat. So this is my beat over here, and you want to kind of click over here, and then with left click, so left mouse button, click and then drag over the end like this, okay? So let's say you want a fade to be, for example, about this long. So I'll show you how you can now customize this. You can simply press Ctrl and F on your keyboard, and there we go, it's going to give you the fade out over here. Now by default, this could look something like that. You can then just click and drag, and that way you'll get your fade out, okay? You can then go and listen to it and see if it's cool. If it is, you can leave it like that, or you can come back and change over here. You have like equal gain or equal power. You have the out shape to be standard, S-curve, or you have like a bunch of different options over here as well, so up to you. And then whenever you change these, they're going to fade out your beat. So just click on the OK button, and as you can see, there we go, that's going to indicate the fade out has been applied. That's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.